Ka Bosco College Byndihati ka Pynlong ya ka Cultural Fest arjar arpusaw ka beningkong ha ka khat kendai terik urisau arjar arpusaw. Kani ka jingelang ka lepin ka jinglong tenrai berius pa jong ka than chatei lam ngi kari India ka bepin pau kiriti dustur jong kijat benriu beper jong ka. Lasdang ye kani da ka jingshat pediang buram tenrai na ka benta ukongsan uma kermen Shillong MLA bat Menteri Sarkar. Upadar Daniel DMKG ula pediang sengobha ya baro ke belawan syakani ke program. Kameladi be itanak jeng syak tenrai ni kejat benriu Nepali, Tripuri, Arunachali, Mizo, Naga, Manipuri bat khasi kalapen po penpieng ya kani ketamasa. Upadar Jiven Lakra Vice Provincial ulai don bentalang hakani kesngi ke musembut kongsan. Baro arngut kiriu pau khmat ke labanjur ye ke jingdan kam ban penroy ye ke kolchor jong ke jing yaisha ke jing buram bat ke jing sengau thuk jing mut ha ke imlang salang. Ha ke bapen kut ye ke jing penbana ukongsan ula play pat ba ye ke jakadi jing bam tenrai beper. Ha ke porment step lepin iye bunjat ke jing ruai ke jing shat ne ke jat benriu Arunachali, Nepali, Manipuri kumjuru ke jat benriu Mizo bat khasi. Kawai ne ke jing penbernya kani kesngi kadai ke cultural runway ha ke bagi Samla puli ke lepin kiriam tenrai jengki ke bahar rukom. Uba pasmon dekhar ubariu MDC ke musnyang rengat constituency ulalong ukongsan ha kani ke program ha ke porno paisngi. Ulapen pau ke jing sngongu ke jing persang jeng ke Samla puli bat ulapen slur ya barok ban kentiu bat penek pensa ke riti dustur jong ke than chatei lammi ngi kari India. Lapen kut ya kini ke cultural fest arhajar arpusaw da ke jing penbena ya kinong job ha ke cultural runway bat ke jing ruai DJ ban penbernya ya ki pat pa.
It is necessary and it is important to have problems in life. But it's not wise for us to just ignore whenever we see a problem arise in our life or it might be with our friends. The best thing is that you'll enjoy and you'll love it if you have a solution to any problems in your life. Because nobody will appreciate you, what you are doing. They will not even think that your existence until and unless you do something which solves the problem of the society. It will happen with all of us, I believe. When somebody has a problem, let me just give an example. We have a bad condition road. Now everyone remember the government, the departments, the ministers. They are not doing good. What happened? They don't look at us. They ignore us. That is a problem. And if the same thing, we from the government turn to ignore it and didn't even listen, just ignore it, didn't try to listen, didn't try to solve the problem, what will happen? Then people will start looking against us.
If we look at the arch of this, the roofing is something like a rainbow, and the rainbow also consists of 7 colors, and when put together is something beautiful, and that's what we are celebrating today, Unity Day, when the different cultures of our country, or especially of Northeast India, we come together to showcase our culture, our tradition, to which we are rooted.
who's also a member where we are elected to protect, to preserve the rich culture and the rich customs of the indigenous community of JD Hills as a Pynlong. So it gives me a wonderful experience to share and to discuss, to tell you, to talk about the culture that we have in our Northeast states. Because if you take into all account, Northeast states combined has got the maximum number of tribes, the maximum number of indigenous communities, where we are very small in compared to the great nation of India.